Hi, Brave Calculus students. I apologize for the bronchitis. I have a cough drop in my mouth. But I was going to give a demo video of solving a problem and then pasting it into the slide. So this is the problem that's in the slide right here. X squared minus 4 divided by x minus 2. And if I just... I'm going to the table, so second table shows me that this function right here does not exist as it approaches 2, or at 2. Now, if I got really close to it, let's say, let me go to table set. Let's start at, say, 1.9, and that little triangle is a Greek letter, means delta. And we use it in math for change. So how much do I want to change the table? How about by 0.01? So now when I go to the table, I can see it's going 3. Okay, see how it went up to 3.99? And then as I go down the table, I'm right here at 4.01. And if I wanted, I could get it even closer than that. I might as well do it while I'm showing you. So what if I start at 1.99 and change my table by 0.001? Now when I go to the table, you can see that both sides are converging onto the number 4. They won't get there, but if I can provide a little bridge, it'll be right there at 4. So at the gap is at x equals 2. The bridge is going to be 4. And I wanted to show you also about the graphing. If you just do zoom standard, zoom 6, yeah, it looks like a line, and you're like, I don't see a gap anywhere. It's no biggie. You have to go to zoom decimal. Oops. Zoom decimal, which is number 4. And this way, each dot is a new point. And right up there at the very top, the screen that they're referring to is the computer. It was barely on there. But there is a gap right there at 2 and 4. And let's see if I can move it down. Yeah. I'm going to come up here. Y equals. I'm going to come right here and just say -1 so it all bumps down by 1 point. Okay, -1. Now if I hit graph, I'm still in zoom decimal. And there we go. There's that little teeny gap right there where it just can't cross. And that's the only way I know of to actually see it on a calculator. So this is my sample video. I am going to save it, and then coming here, I'm going to post it right, let's see, right here, so that you can see this sample video as well. So this reflection is at the end of chapter 10. This is just my example for you of what is the big idea of chapter 10. Can I describe it? So, like I said, the big idea, I describe it. I give a sample problem that I wouldn't mind solving. I gave the solution right here, and I'm going to put in a video of me solving the problem. Now, if you're going to do it with paper and pencil, pull up your phone, hold it up and down, because when you turn it sideways, I know it fits on the screen better, but then I have to turn to watch your video. So, there we go.